Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to install OpenClaw and connect it with WhatsApp so you can interact with your AI bot directly from your phone. First, we need to onboard OpenClaw. Open your terminal and run the onboarding command. Using this command will install. This will start the interactive setup process. You'll see prompts for permissions, grant the bot access to your system and APIs. Now, we'll choose which AI model to use for responses. Example, GPT-4, Claude, local LLMs. So, I'll go with the OpenAI one. Now, we have to choose the auth method. I'll go with the OpenAI API key one. Now, I have already given my API key to the terminal, so I'll use the existing key. Here, we have been offered the choice to choose the model that we want to go for. So, I'll choose the current one, that is GPT-4. You can go with some other model according to your preference. After the libraries are installed, OpenClaw will ask which messaging platforms you want to integrate with. The options include like Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, Google Chat, and so many more. For this demo, we'll focus on WhatsApp. For the WhatsApp configuration, bot will show us the QR to connect it with the WhatsApp number. Once we click on it, we'll be given the option to choose whether we want to use any particular link or the QR method. We'll go for the QR method. Now we'll choose yes. Once entered, OpenClaw will automatically configure the integration. Scan your QR and link it with your WhatsApp device. Let's make sure everything is working by sending a test message to your WhatsApp bot like top 5 machine learning algorithms. Or we can simply test the status with command /status. You should see the bot reply with its current status, confirming that it's connected and ready to use. And that's it. With OpenClaw onboarded, permissions granted, model selected, libraries installed, and WhatsApp connected, your AI bot is ready to interact directly on your phone. We have seen how we can connect OpenClaw with our WhatsApp device. In the next video, we'll move from here. Using this configuration, we will be building a project for our real-world use case. See you in the next one.